Alright, I decided I'm going to go ahead and do one more video today. I'm going to work on something I haven't worked on before. Got the electric Hummer here. It's got aftermarket wheels. You can see the inset is black, and then the lip is where the curb rash is, of course, which I don't even know how you curb these wheels with those tires on here. Somebody did. But it's a tinted clear. It's kind of a gray color, so let me get set up and we'll do this. Okay, I'm set up. I'll get into that in a minute on how I mix the paint up. First, we're gonna have to grind this out. This is pretty deep. And we'll sand it up and be ready for paint. if it's too light, then we can add some more paint to it, but you don't want to add too much paint to start. Into my shield so I'm not